My name is Kelly Chakowski. My age is 55, and I wanted to take this course to give myself an alternative to the testosterone pellets I've been using for the past 10 years. Basically use them for libido and to have any type of sensation sexually. I feel like getting off of them will be good for my body. I'm trying to age gracefully and do everything in a more natural manner. So I wanted to take this course to discover what it could open up for me and what I could use as an alternative to medicine, because I really don't like medicine. The first day was a little awkward because we were doing the yoga poses that were a little challenging. I do like to consider myself physically fit, but those were a whole different ball of wax for me. Once I got into the second day, I felt much more comfortable and I felt like I was really getting something out of it. The first day I was a little nervous, of course, but just talking to my classmates and my wonderful instructors and learning how to deal with my body and how to treat my body well. It's a whole eye-opening experience for me, so I'm excited for day 3. We did a lot of self-exploration of our bodies. I'm pretty familiar with things. I've always been a little bit open to sexuality, so it didn't make me very uncomfortable. But I learned a lot. I learned a lot about the body parts and how they work together and what types of issues might pop up from certain types of conditions or diet or whatever. So I embraced that, and I have spent the last 2 nights listening to Dr. Wolf's other lectures and opening my eyes even further. So I'm really working on self-love. That's my biggest challenge. But I am trying to get it, a more strong feeling for that. But other than that, I look forward to day 3. Day 2, we worked with our yoni eggs, and mine was, it was pretty good. I had flashbacks of days of wearing tampons, which I haven't done for a very long time. So that kind of, it reminded me of those days, but it wasn't as uncomfortable, obviously. I'm learning about the different sizes of the eggs and that I should start out with a large and work my way down because my vaginal muscles are not as strong as they once were. And I would like to improve that. So I'm going to work on a large egg today and then go down to a medium and eventually a small. I would love to tell people to open up your mind and take these classes, educate yourself, because aging is a very challenging accomplishment for all of us. And the better you age, the happier you will be. I didn't start educating myself until I turned 50. I'm glad I did, and I'm going to continue to learn. But I just look around me and I see people suffering and not embracing what they could, because this information is out there. It's free. Just take advantage of it. So do yourself a favor and take these classes and educate yourself, if nothing else.